my name is Chantal, and today we're going to be making a pumpkin figurine. To make the pumpkin figurine, you'll need these 4 colors. These are the 4 colors we're going to be using to make the pumpkin figurine. So now get a piece from your orange and then roll it. When you're done rolling it, it should look like this. It should look like a ball. And now, get anything that is sharp. I'm going to be using this one. And then mold it and put lines on it. Flatten it a little bit too. Okay, it should look like this. And then you should put a tiny hole in the middle. Now we're going to be using our green. First, we're going to be using our dark green. And with that dark green, we're going to get a little tiny piece and then roll it. It should look like grass. When it looks like grass, put a little hole or a loop to the green. Okay, now it should look like this. When it looks like that, put that into your tiny hole. That's what it looks like. Now, get part of your green, and then it should be a little bit smaller than the other one, because we're going to be doing the same process, but make it smaller. Okay, so I have a tiny grass. Now, I'm going to do the same loop, and then put it on there. When it looks like this, you are almost done. When it looks like that, we're going to be getting a piece of the black, but not too big. We're going to be getting this and then roll it. When you rolled it, it should look like this. Flatten it and then get another piece. I'm going to be using this. And then when it looks like a pocket, put it on your pumpkin. And then you can mold it when you put it on your pumpkin. But when it looks like this, get another piece. And then when you get your other piece, you're going to be molding it just like that. Get that, flatten it, then make it mold it a little bit. Okay. When you mold it a bit, you should be having this, just like the other one. And then I just mold it a bit again. And then I got this. And of course, it doesn't look just like the same of the other one. So we're going to be molding a bit. This one looks a bit bigger than the other one, so we're just going to be doing that. It doesn't need to be that perfect. And then when you have this, get another piece of the black, roll it just like grass, and then make this smiley thing. When you have this, you're almost done. So it looks like this. Now we're just going to do the same process with a tiny one. Get a pinch of the orange again. And then get the green. Oh, don't forget to mold it. When you molded it, it should look like this. Put a hole in the middle. Get the green, just like the same process. Of course, the dark green again. Roll it, just like grass. And for this one, you don't need to put a loop, but I'm just going to put it because it should look like this. Looks like this. And for the light green, we're just going to do the same process. And this one, I'm just going to make it into this. I'm not going to put that loop again. And then I'm just going to put it over there. And when you put that over there, just put the same thing. And now, do the eye. We're going to pinch off the black again. And then put it over there. It should look like this. When you did that, another pinch. Okay? And then get that and put it over here. And then just mold it if it doesn't look good. Okay, I molded it, and now we're just gonna be making it a smile. Okay. Now we're just gonna be making the last thing. Get a piece of the black. Now we're going to take a tiny green too and roll it like this and then do a loop like this and then put it over here at the side to make it look like a vine. And now we just need to get another one and then loop and then put it as a tiny vine over here. Now this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put some tiny vines over here on the floor. Oh, don't forget the loop. And then, now let's put this in the oven. That is the finished look.